Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about Juneteenth. Rest assured, after watching this video you will thank me for good information. We will be covering all of your questions like what is Juneteenth Day, what you need to know about a historical holiday, why do they call it Juneteenth, when did Juneteenth become a holiday, what are the colors for Juneteenth, what traditional food is served in Juneteenth, what was the first state to free slaves, who invented Juneteenth, what states had slaves, when did France abolish slavery, why do we celebrate Black History Month, what is the Black History theme for 2020, what is the most important person in Black history, how long has Black History Month been. So before we go further, I would like you to please like, comment and subscribe my channel. It would be highly appreciated. Let's begin with the first question. What is Juneteenth Day? What you need to know about a historic holiday. The historic holiday, which celebrates the official end of slavery in the United States of America, has taken on renewed significance this year. There have been a long calls for it to be instituted as a federal holiday. This year, aimed nationwide anti-racism protests following the death of George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, and Ahmaud Arbery. Many companies have given employees the day off. The BBC spoke to Dr. Greg Carr, professor of Afro-American Institute at Howard University, and a number of Americans planning to celebrate. Next one, why do they call it Juneteenth? Texas was the most remote of the slave states, and the Emancipation Proclamation of January 1, 1863 was not enforced there until after the Civil War had ended. The name of the observance is a portmanteau of June and 19th, the date of its celebration. Now, when did Juneteenth become a holiday? Juneteenth became a state holiday in Texas in 1980, and the number of other states subsequently followed suit. The day is also celebrated outside the United States, with organizations in a number of countries using the day to recognize the end of slavery and to celebrate the culture and achievements of African Americans. What are the colors for Juneteenth? The Juneteenth flag is full of symbolism. The colors red, white, and blue echo the American flag to symbolize that the enslaved people and their descendants were Americans. What traditional food is served in Juneteenth? Watermelon and red soda water are the oldest traditional foods on Juneteenth, said Mayer, head of the National Juneteenth Observance Foundation, and there's always been soul food served, fried chicken and barbecue and green beans and black-eyed peas. What was the first state to free slaves? Pennsylvania abolished slavery in 1780, and about half of the states abolished slavery during the Revolutionary War or in the first decades of the new country. Who invented Juneteenth? On June 18, Union Army General Gordon Granger arrives at Galveston Island with 2,000 federal troops to occupy Texas on behalf of federal government. What states had slaves? Delaware, Georgia, Maryland, South California, Virginia, North California, Kentucky, Tennessee, Louisiana. When did France abolish slavery? Slavery was first abolished by the French Republic in 1794, but Napoleon revoked that decree in 1802. In 1815, the Republic abolished the slave trade, but the decree did not come into effect until 1826. France re-abolished slavery in her colonies in 1848 with a general and unconditional emancipation. What states do not recognize Juneteenth? 47 of 50 US states and the District of Columbia have recognized Juneteenth as either a state holiday or ceremonial holiday, a day of observance. The three states that do not recognize Juneteenth are Hawaii, North Dakota, and South Dakota. Why do we celebrate Black History Month? It begins as a way of remembering important people and events in the history of African diaspora. It is celebrated in February in the United States and Canada, while in Ireland and the Netherlands and the United Kingdom it is observed in October. But in the United States of America it has been celebrated on 19th June. What is the Black History theme for 2020? With this momentous anniversaries in mind, the 2020 theme for African American History Month is African Americans and the Vote, exploring 150 years and more of the struggles to ensure that African Americans are able to fully participate in American democracy. Who was the most important person in Black history? Well, the undefeated 44 most influential Black Americans in history. I would like to name only two, as this video will get become a bit longer. So that is the reason I'll take only two names. My favorites are Muhammad Ali, James Baldwin. How long has Black History Month been? President Gerald Ford officially recognized Black History Month in 1976, calling upon the public to seize the opportunity to honor the too often neglected accomplishments of Black Americans in every area of endeavor throughout our history. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.